well, how good was it having Paul and Yip over? They were cracking blokes, and it was really good just to see so much of this done now. We've been dreading this. Obviously, this mountain of gravel has sat here for probably the last year. That's been sat there, and it's gone down a little bit. It's probably about halfway through, but the work isn't done. We've still got more border blocks to place. We've still got a massive area to fill with gravel. So all the way around here, all the way over to where we're going to have a parking area. Now, I noticed some comments in the last video where you're going to park with the not very big area, as some of you said in the comments. You are mistaken. No, you're wrong. I'm going to say you're wrong. And the reason you're wrong is we've just had 2 lorries pull up and drop this off, and they managed to turn in this spot. Now, they were 16-ton lorries, so they've managed to turn in this spot here. So this is plenty, absolutely loads of space. So this is where our parking's going to be. So you'll come in, you'll come around, and you'll be led onto the parking here, and this is where you'll park your cars up, and this will be all sorted. It'll all be nice, it'll all be tidy. It is a complete mess right now, and we know we've still got a lot of work to do here, but it is where it is. So with all this work going on, it is for a purpose, it is for a reason. We have loads going on over the next few weeks, and when I say loads, I mean loads. We have filmed for Chateau DIY over the next few days, which is going to be fun. It always is. We have Terry's birthday at the end of this week as well. He's 40, so all of you that would like to wish him happy birthday, please do. It's on Friday the 13th, unlucky for some. And we have our massive fete, our big fete, and we keep calling it the big fete. It's going to be huge. It's going to be so much fun, and we cannot wait for it. It's 2 weeks on Saturday, so it's the 28th of June. It's an all-day event. I think it's running from, people are welcome from 10 in the morning till midnight. I think it's running to. We have fireworks at 11 o'clock as well. There'll be a restaurant on site. There'll be everything here that you need. So hopefully lots of you can make it along. If you can, it'll be amazing to meet you. But for now, loads to do. Let's go and crack on.
Waking up this morning, waking up before it's getting 9. Kinda heavy on my shoulders, tracking down some moments back in time. I could've swore that I was in it, down to every minute. Don't know what I was sipping, but I felt like I was doing fine. Oh my. Turns out that I just got a little bit south, just a little bit north of the Georgia line. Do it again. Little too much southern comfort, hanging with my friends, all playing games. We all started at a full house, ended up just me and good old James. I could've swore that I was winning, kinda had a feeling. Last thing I remember, I was drinking till the moon shined. Oh my. Turns out that I just got a little bit south, just a little bit north of the Georgia line. May not know just where I'm at, no idea when I'll get back. There's so much you just can't explain. No, I'm not one to lose control, but I don't really care at all how it ends or where it begins. And I'll do it again. do it again.
Well, we've done as much as we can out here. Now it's getting there. Obviously our pile of gravel is getting down. The other one we still haven't touched yet, but we're getting down to the last probably about 100 blocks now, which is good. We've got a path to the cottage, which Mum's been wanting for 5 years. So she's finally got her own little pathway going to the cottage now, which can't wait to get the gravel down on there, because it's going to be fantastic to have like a central path. And come winter, we're not going to be walking through all of the mud and dirt and stuff like that. Well, started on this section now, so this is going to be our last main curve that we have to create, and it's sort of like a double curve, so it curves out and then it curves in, so when guests are here they can use these gates as the exit. But you might remember quite a while ago when Mum sort of uncovered this stone path. Now she cleared it all off and she sort of built the end part, so we want to save that. So we've just put the edge blocks in there just to support it all, because we've had to dig away, it's all coming away. So we've got the first 4 blocks in this side, but Ash has been super busy and he's got the whole other side all completely done. Now getting that curve in is just looking fantastic, because it's the final section for all of this part of the garden, and the way it sort of leads in to the staircase is just amazing. So this is all going to be, I think we're going to go with grass. I think that's what we've been speaking to with Shane, and we're going to look at getting some nice big urns on plinths and then having some sort of floral arrangement in the centre there. So that's as much as we can get done out here. Now we need to crack on in the walled garden.
What a difference a day makes. And good friends, this is incredible, absolutely incredible. It genuinely now, it feels like a formal garden. We know we were heading that way, and I know that's what we wanted, but it never ever felt like a formal garden. We had flowers and plants and everything, but it just looked unfinished. We'd just been able to see the mud and constant weeds coming through. It didn't look Chateau-esque. And now just look at this. Take a swing around here because it is absolutely gorgeous. Every little bit of it just looks incredible. I'm amazed. Just 6 of us, well, 6 friends plus us. So it was incredible. But if we'd have got half of it done, we would have been over the moon. We genuinely would have been over the moon. So to get everything done, and not only have we got down there done, we've got up here done as well. So we have the beautiful terrace, and it is now a beautiful terrace. Everything's looking amazing. It's really good, and it's really good that we've got this down because the miscanthus holds the water. Now, we were using quite a lot of water to keep the new plants doing well and make sure that they're healthy and happy and make sure that they're bedded in. But with the miscanthus, what it means is once we've watered, the sun isn't evaporating all of the moisture off the ground, which is perfect because it means that we don't have to water as much, which we've made the time for, but we didn't have the time, if you know what I mean. It was one of them, it was just we still had a lot to do work-wise without having to come around here. But what we have done, again, you guys, incredible, with your Buy Me a Coffee support, we've bought professional sprinklers. Now, if I stay here, I'm going to get wet. But what it means is that we only have to move this like 2 or 3 times across the garden. And we were having to, the little ones we had, the little tiny ones we had, here we go, and it got me. The little ones, we were having to move them like 20 times around the garden to make sure everywhere got done. Now we do have irrigation, around all the outside beds they have irrigation, but grass here, if we don't water the grass on a daily basis, within 2-3 days it's yellow. If it's 22 degrees here in Lalacelle, it's 25-30 degrees in this garden because we don't get the wind. It just passes over the top of the garden and it holds the heat. So whatever the temperature is up on the terrace or out the front, it's always 5 to 10 degrees warmer around here in the back. So we've had to do all this. So again, thank you to all your amazing support because it's meant that we've been able to buy the proper tools and stay on top of it. And not just the sprinklers, all the stuff that we've been able to buy to stay on top of the garden. It's made such a difference to us because it's meant that we're not working for 6-8 hours now. We're doing it in 1-2 hours, and the difference in that is incredible. It's given us back 4-5 hours of the day that we've got to do other jobs, and this hasn't become a chore because it really was with some of the equipment that we had. It was so difficult to get it around and get these jobs done, and you were so knackered at the end of it. You didn't want to do anything else either. But now this place just looks amazing, and obviously we're set for filming. We're filming the next few days with Chateau DIY. I'm again excited, but it'll be here in the garden. So we have it all prepped and all set up, thanks to our amazing friends. We cannot thank you enough. So if you're watching this, guys, thank you so much for coming and helping us for the day. It really was incredible, and like I say, it meant that we've got so much done now. But everywhere you go now, the garden is just bursting into life. So if you look, anywhere you look, there's just beautiful flowers, and everywhere you look, there's beautiful flowers. I still keep going to my messy end because I love my messy corner, and it does just look, it looks incredible. I'm loving all of these that are popping up, and they have just taken over, and this is exactly what we wanted. Lots of people warned us about them, but this is what we wanted. We wanted these to take over these whole beds because, again, the more of them there is, the less weeds there is, and the better the garden looks, and the butterflies just absolutely love it. Like, look here, it's just butterflies galore, and they absolutely love these flowers and these plants. Bees everywhere, you can hear them buzzing, like the lambs here. Look at the lambs here. Look, everywhere you look, there's little buzzy bees eating away, quite happy. So it's not only here everything's doing well right the way around the garden. Now, some of you remember October last year, Shane was over and we finished off the planting with the roses, and well, I say roses, they were twigs that we put in the ground, and we made rose beds to make rose borders in between the actual gardens themselves to make little alleys and pathways. And just look how incredible they are doing. It is unbelievable. Everywhere you look, you've got roses in bloom, and that's right the way around this garden. Everywhere everything's just looking beautiful. So thank you all so very much, and thank you for following Yip and Paul, all of you that jumped over to their channel and give them some support. We really do appreciate it. I'm sure Terry will put a link in the description for this one as well, so if you haven't checked Yip and Paul out, they're going to be back soon, so you'll be able to see them here again soon, because we do need their help, and they are incredible guys, and we have so much fun while we're all working together. So you'll see them on our channel again soon, and you never know, we might pop up on theirs, so it's all good. If you've enjoyed today's video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and make sure you got the bell click for notifications, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.
If you'd like to be part of our journey and help restore the chateau, then please join us on Patreon, where you'll be part of our journey, receive a piece of the history, and get exclusive videos.